For 16 years, I had the best and the sweetest dog ever. His name was Voltaire. Unfortunately, Voltaire passed last year in the middle of the pandemic. But after breeding Voltaire a few years ago, we kept one of the puppies, Molly. By the way, she looks just like him, okay? And Molly used to give us a hard time. She wouldn't eat dry food whatsoever. That's when I decided to prepare homemade dog food for them. And it made a big difference for both dogs. Voltaire managed to live the whole life expectancy for his breed, and he died because he was old. And then he got sick at the very end, but he was just old. And Molly kept her in good shape. She loves the homemade food, and she's full of energy. She's 6 years old now, and full of energy to play with. I truly believe that homemade dog food helps a lot. Basically, the three ingredients that I use for Molly's food is protein, fiber, and carbohydrates. I'm gonna show you what I use and how I make it. Look, Molly, I know you look very comfortable here, but now you gotta go, okay? Because I need to prepare your food. Sounds good? Hello, can you hear me? Earth's calling Molly, Earth's calling Molly. Okay, let's go.
Do you want to eat? You want some food? Who wants some food? Who wants some food? I need some food. Want some food? Want some food? Huh?
This is what I normally cook for Molly most of the time because on top of everything, she's picky. There are a lot of things that she doesn't like. So for protein, it's good because it helps them to develop muscles, fiber for a healthy gut, and carbohydrates to give them energy so they can come and ask for me to play with them. For protein, I have here chicken thighs. You can use chicken or beef. For carbs, I'm gonna add brown rice. Yeah, brown rice. Molly doesn't like white rice. And I also am gonna add some sweet potatoes because she loves sweet potatoes. And carrots and green beans. Very important tip. Always keep in mind, before you decided to go for a homemade food for your dog, consult with your vet first. He will guide you through, see what's best for your dog. And also keep in mind food allergies. Dogs do have food allergies just like us. And the most important thing, not all human food are safe for dogs. So before you do anything, before you decide what kind of veggies and meat and fruit that you're gonna give to your dog, check before what is safe for dogs. There's a lot of good material out there. Check that before, because we love our dogs so much, we don't want them to feed them to something that they're not supposed to eat. I'm gonna start by cooking the rice. And the same way I would cook for myself. That, by the way, we have a full video for how to cook the perfect brown rice. Please check the card. And if you are new to our channel, this is not a dog channel. But make sure you subscribe. You're gonna find a lot of healthy food in there. And hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. And when cooking for dogs, very, very important. No salt, no onions, no garlic, no olive oil, none of this. It's just the ingredients, and I cook them with water. Plain water, that's it. So I'm gonna get the rice going. And once it's halfway through, I'm gonna add the veggies and the meat, and we're done. Next, we're gonna add the veggies. meat. Molly's gonna be so happy. We're gonna let this cook until the meat is done and the veggies are cooked through, and most of the water will be evaporated. Another tip is that if you have the time to steam the veggies, they'll be even better because you preserve more of the minerals and vitamins in the veggies. I don't have the time to do it today, but boiling is fine. Steamed is much better. Check this out. They absorbed, the veggies and meat and rice absorbed all the water, and it's creamy the way Miss Molly likes. That's it. I'm gonna let this cool down a little, and then I'm gonna divide in portions. And these portions, I separate one for her in the refrigerator. The others, I put it in the freezer and I pull it out as I need. Here I portioned the Molly's food. This is for a few days. This I'm gonna save in the freezer. But when you freeze something, you should refrigerate first, and once it's cold, then you put it in the freezer. And that's it. Also don't forget to name, don't forget to date, so you know exactly when you made it. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you make the recipe for your dog, let me know what you think. Let me know what your dog think. Be prepared though, once you go to homemade food, they will never go back to dry food again. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Food. I know. You want some food? Who's hungry?